The performance of water systems is more than just hydraulic analysis. Modelling is really about the people that water utilities serve, the level of service provided to customers, and the quality of water supplied. Hydraulic models represent real-world water distribution systems in order to drive millions of continuous investments with evidence-led decision-making. InfoWorks WS Pro lets multiple teams edit the same model simultaneously, track changes made over time and by who, and reverse these changes if needed. The collaboration this enables for teams is a game changer for organizations looking to improve data integrity and team productivity. Similarly, simulation power can be shared across servers to rapidly compute in-depth analyses in parallel orchestration to save time without compromising on quality. InfoWorks WS Pro offers a wide range of water modeling applications. Simulate various network alternatives and review the impact of any changes to help you make justifiable decisions. Ensure you have enough firefighting capacity and understand the extent of pollution incidents. Assess the water source requirements and look at water quality and chlorination throughout the distribution system. Define pipes at risk of sedimentation and develop effective water main flushing programs. Identify possible locations of leaks and manage pressure to reduce real losses, and much more. Through over 25 years of innovation with industry leaders, InfoWorks WS Pro delivers comprehensive capabilities to design, plan, and operate water networks accurately and confidently.